This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Japan. This is Maruchan with their Chikara Mochi Udon. Yeah, it's got a little bunny rabbit on it. So let's get this going right quick because I've got other things to do that I must do other than playing with my noodles. Okay, so there's that. We're gonna throw in this. This is mochi, so it's made from barley gluten, and it's like this chewy stuff. It's real hit or miss. I've had so many times when I've done mochi varieties and it just doesn't do what it's supposed to do, but hopefully today it will cooperate and do as it should. Last time I did one of these it came out just fine, so I don't know. I just don't know. Mochi, and let's get that in there good. Put it under the noodle so it can have more time to take a bath. Come on, get underneath there. I don't have time to play with my noodle all day. Come on now. I guess this isn't a noodle, this is udon. Alright, and then we've got a seasoning sachet and that'll go at the end. This goes for 5 minutes. So there we are. It's on. It's going. It's happening. It's good. It's good. It's good. So this one came out of an umai crate. You go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. No, wait. No, I apologize. It's from a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. Yeah, they don't... Zenpop doesn't pay me for doing any of these things, but they send me boxes of noodles, which is nice. I'd like to get paid for it, but you know, what can you do? But yeah, I always plug anybody who sends me noodles. I'm gonna mention you. So yeah, this is the third one today. That brings me up to review 4,203. I'm pretty jazzed about that. I op. People still ask me, it's like, don't you get sick of doing this? It's like, yeah, I do. Sometimes I just don't feel like doing the noodle shuffle, and so I do other stuff. I mean, the last one I posted, I think I posted one today that was like 4,081 or 4,083, I can't remember. But I'm like 120 reviews ahead, so if I want to take a week off, yeah, it's not a big problem. But it's nice to get, I mean, we got a 2-bedroom apartment, you know. If I've got lots of noodles to review, they start to stack up, and I like to get them out of the way, and I don't like anything to expire, so sooner I get that going, the better. Yeah. So, yeah, currently it's the big Ukraine thing. It's funny, everybody's doing, we'll send you guns and bombs and stuff, but nobody wants to send people. But, I mean, not that I'm a people that would want to go over there and possibly get blowed up, but, you know, yeah. But it should be an interesting set of events that unfolds from today on out. This is the last day of February 28th, 2022. In other news, cheese. Yeah, everybody likes cheese. Unless you're lactose intolerant, and if you are, I'm very sorry to hear that. They say the gas is going to go way up. I think when you say in the news all over the place that gas is going to go up, it's just going to go up. You know, it just seems like if you want gas to go up, just say it's going to go up and it'll go up. But I don't think they just say gas is going to go up just to say gas is going to go up. You know what I mean? That's been kind of the weird thing in the last couple years is how negative people have gotten about the press, and I just don't understand it. It's like, don't you want to know things and stuff? There's no big conspiracy. You know how organized people would have to be actually be able to play out a conspiracy? They'd have to conspire. Well, everybody's got their own interests over here, so it's like, yeah, me. So that's not gonna happen. People just aren't good at that kind of crap. They just aren't. But yeah, I don't know. I've known a lot of people in the journalism field that have just been like really top notch and good at what they do, and really great writers and do investigations and all this kind of stuff. And they're pretty rad people. So I don't know. I don't buy the idea that it's like, oh, they're all out to get me. I don't know anybody who says or talks that way either, except for myself. Like a bunch of hot butter melting off a wet biscuit. Yeah. But either way, if you're into conspiracy theories, you need to watch this horrible film called Lockdown, COVID-19 Lockdown, also, no, COVID-19 Invasion, aka Lockdown. It's really, really bad, low budget, but you gotta watch it. It'll blow your mind how bad a movie can be. But it's funny at the same time, so you gotta see it. The lady in it tied up in a chair, and the guy's like, and she's all, enjoy your COVID. So bad. It's like the lowest budget fake horror movie you've ever seen. I love it. Love it. Worth watching again? No. I don't think we would do that. That is not gonna happen in my household. I really don't see it. Alright, so this is the last one of the day. I'm pretty jazzed about that. I got other stuff I got to do. I'm gonna have like an unboxing. I've got to edit so many videos, but I want to get out and walk a bit. It's just a madcap wacky one thing after another around here. My daughter's gonna get mad. She's like, where's my dinner? I gotta go to school. Oh, the mochi. The mochi did come out, but it tried to stick to the bottom. Here's the mochi. Yeah. So let's try. There's lots of little pieces of tofu, fried tofu. It's sweet. I've got udon. Not bad. I don't know that I've come into contact with this two-tone mochi before. I'll just grab a little slice off the side. I think this side might have a flavor to it. Not so much. Then you got these little things. It's not egg. I'm not sure what it is. It's not bad. And then broth. Interesting. Had a little bit of shichimi, I believe, with it. So it's got a little bit of bump of something. A little bumpus. Yeah, for a Maruchan udon, which is generally something I'm not a huge fan of, that one's not bad. It's also got really dark kamaboko. There's not a ton of it, so I'll try that after the fact. How about that? And I think in this one, I'm pretty much just gonna go with some spring onion. And some sesame seed. chili oil. Yeah, kind of like a triple Japanese style thing today. It's pretty cool. Okay, all right, here we go. That's it for me today. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye-bye.